How to create an opportunity in Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. So there are really two different ways. One, if you're you just got the opportunity out of nowhere and you're just rushing to it. In that case, you simply just want to click on the plus icon from the top right corner and you should be able to find the option New Opportunity. You can simply click on that and you're just going to basically create one from scratch. Or you can just go to the opportunities tab and click on new here. It's pretty much the same steps. So yeah, either one works. So you can just go and start filling out information. Now this is going to be all manual. So if you already have an account or a contact that is going to be, a part of this opportunity, you will need to link them manually. So it's not really the best way to create a new opportunity. The other way is going to be, which is the better one, if you already have a contact or an account that you want to create this opportunity with, it's going to be easier to actually select them first and create the opportunity from there. For example, if we just go to accounts here and click on any account that we have in here and we wanted to create an opportunity between us and them, you simply click on their accounts and click on this little down arrow from the top right corner and select new opportunity. Why this is better? Because it's pretty much just going to connect everything automatically. The only things that you will need to fill out are more details like the opportunity name, the amount, and so on. So let's just go and continue with this one. First, just go and give it a name. By the way, this is all just dummy information. You also want to go ahead and add a close date. You can just go and select that from here and, just make a guess to the best of your ability to when that is going to be. And you also want to select a stage. So whether it's going to be prospecting, needs analysis, and so on. I'm just going to keep it as needs analysis, for example, and we can just move on to the amount. So you can just go and add the amount that is going to be either approximate, or if you know the actual amount, you can just add that in here. And you can even add a next step, but is not required. So I'm just going to click on save. And now you have this opportunity done with this account or contact or really whatever it may be. You can find it within the opportunities tab and you can just open it up and you should be able to find these different life stage steps basically. And you can, whenever an update happens, you can just go and select this new stage, for example, and you can just mark it as the current stage. And this is pretty much how to create an opportunity. It's very simple, extremely simple. So you can either do it from here and link everything manually, or you can go to contacts or accounts, for example, and just go in and create it from there. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.